Quite interesting question, but simple. I would want you guys to pause and think. I hope you guys did that. Will the cells or the cell having the largest number in the table always be a supercell? So we have bunch of numbers which are uneven, right? And that is the largest. So we have a number is the largest. Say this is the largest. Can we place it in a way that it is not a supercell? Right? Another way of looking at this question is, are there possibilities wherein you put this number, consider this number, but there's no supercell next to it? I mean, it is not a supercell. Is that possible? If 44 is the highest number, by default, this has to be, say, 29 or 43 at the maximum. 43, for example. It can be a number like 29 or 25 or whatever. But 44 will be the supercell. There's no other possibility. Even if I place it over here, say this is 43 and say this is 41. Okay, whatever it is, this has to be the supercell. So the question answer is yes. Can the cell having the smallest number in a table be a supercell? Well, let's have a look at it. Say I have the smallest number is 10. 10 cannot be a supercell because 29 is greater. Let me place a 10 over here. Since this is the smallest number, I need to have numbers like 11 or 12. So this cannot be the supercell. So the very idea over here is a supercell is a cell which has a value greater than the neighboring cells, right? So as per that definition, yes, we can have one. I mean, we always need to have the highest number to be a supercell, and the lowest number cannot be a supercell. So yes, the highest or the largest. Let me use the word largest. Actually, largest is better. Largest number has to be a supercell. Actually, the cell with the largest number. The cell with the largest number has to be the supercell. Can the cell having the smallest number in a table be a supercell? No. The cell with the smallest number cannot be a supercell. Reason. Actually, I should be writing this individually. That would be better. Okay, I don't have space. I need to write it here itself. Okay, reason. Why is it so? Yes, the cell with the largest number has to be a supercell. Largest number is over here. As it's the largest number, by default, it's by default actually. It has to be the it has to be greater than its neighbors. Array. My handwriting was better. I don't know. It's kind of been some time. Its neighbors. Similarly, here, as it's the smallest number, by default, it has to be the smaller, has to be smaller than its, greater than its neighbor, smaller than its neighbors. as it's the smallest number, by default it has to be the least or lesser than its neighbors, right? And so we have the answer. Again, if you guys have a better way of putting it across, please do, not an issue. It's just my idea, my words. Learn the ideas, borrow the ideas, but you don't have to learn by heart any sentence. Don't do that. Try to express yourself. It's okay. It's okay to go wrong, but try to improve yourself. Don't copy anyone. It's of no use.